Oneze. Omoneko. Prophet David Yahweh, original Chukukadipia. The man who destroy power of Okit. Destroy power of Water. Bari mine wilo also fimo clear, bari rezo be fimo clear. Bari umo feke and umo feke pastor and umo feke dibia finger clear. Listen. Before I came out to begin to tell you Jesus the black man, before I tell you that 99% of pastors are arranged prophet and the fake prophet, this is just the beginning. I can arrange spirituality. When we talk about spirituality, almost all the Reverend Father need to make arrest. The reason why you look at me, you'll be talking. Is there anything that I said that didn't come to pass? Many churches will be closed down. Ebukobi Church in Anambra State. He will be the first. He's the first that arrange. When I told you this, that's why you don't see me associating with pastors or native doctors. I have pastors. I love everybody. I love native doctor. I love SMI. But we are against Aro. We are against deceive. We are against our job. And we are against leading people astray. What does it profit a man to get the whole world and losing so? Share the telecast. Remember I told you that this thing we came is to liberate in that number. I am the first person, first prophet to tell you that okay, they're boom madam. And the first person that tell you that Mary be Queensu. I am the first person to tell you that Jesus is a black man. I am the one that told you that I rejected billion from occultic kingdom to 7 Igbo. But you people look at it, because I was fighting many battles. All those who fake pastor busy collecting money. People like Ebukobi, God will punish him because he's worshiping Satan. People like Mbaka, if you come to spirituality now, if you come for to make you open your eyes, you will understand what I'm talking about. You don't know what we're talking about. You're only looking for, hey, have crowd. Show me all those people now who did not have crowd. Show me all those pastors here who did not have crowd. All of them, they have crowd. All of them are doing arranging. Millions of them are into evil that more than what you can see. What will tell you believe? No, I told you. Now they mention many church. Did I tell you yes or no? Go and watch my. If it's not that Ebukobi, they hack my page. All this thing now, I'll be praying it for you. You'll be hearing one after another. But nevertheless, I can see go back to 2024, 2025 to show you the video because all my old prophecies are being hacked by Ndosayo. Why did Ebukobi they hack my page? Why did Ebukobi people like J-Pack, Ezugo, Ijowa, J-Pack, and Mahapwe demo just Agabola? Why did Ebukobi and Akosayo pay them? They thought I am one of those pastors that they can just bully. If Ndosayo see how they will cut my neck, they would have do that. But how am I going to do it? Go to anywhere. I would like Nigeria government to arrest me and Ebukobi, put us in one room, give us people that sick. Anybody who hear more than each other will be a prophet. The other person should go to jail. This is kind of challenge I want. Somebody say, you have the next arrest. If that tell you arrest, they fear me. Arrest, they fear me. I want the arrest so we can prove this power. Yeah, bro, Papa Nyanya. Remember that we came out, challenge all the pastors. He was calling Ebukobi Long. He was calling Mbaka. He was calling Bemonso. Everyone was checking. Maz Dibia came out, 4 Dibias. But once I came out, why do you think they know that I am the spiritual warrior? See, I'll give you time. All of you will know who I am. I'll give you from now to 5 years. It's not going to reach. Remember I told you that from now to 5 years, Ebukobi will borrow leg. Is it not borrowing leg? Is it not borrowing leg? If I tell you, but that time he was making noise, he was having many security. I mean, now, government don't come out all the security. Small time, you now become like the Yahweh. All those security that Ebukobi they use to make noise, he doesn't have it again. He can't even boast with it. That's why this guy in Enugu, he could not a chalk back governor in Enugu, he could not be able to perform. Share the telecast. Why I'm saying this, let truth be truth and let lie be lie. You are a pastor. You are doing fake. Any one of you that are doing fake here, I pray for you to rot in jail. If I'm doing fake, I'm doing arranging. Let me know. Let the problem that happened to you happen to me. I pray for doing a card or may you be free. But anybody that doing evil, doing arranging, planning for other pastor to die, are planning for me to die, God will punish you. God will expose all of you one after another. Any pastor that doing arranging, whether you're in Lagos or you're in anywhere, God will put you to shame. This is just the beginning. You know, when I told you people thought I'm joking. I am the spiritual world. You go to pray, they show. Forget the crowd. I told you, forget the crowd. Oh, I've seen those things. I've seen those things. I know those pastors, but I'm not their friend. I know those native doctors. I'm not their friend. You can never see me with anybody. To prove that my power came from above. At least you see Ebuka came from Baka. If see Ebuka came from, where did the Yahweh come? The Yahweh power came from above. The man who spent 5 years on the wilderness. Spent 5 years in the house, 10 years to come out. You know, you people don't know. Because the reason you know me because of power is you didn't know me. When Akwoko came to challenge other pastors, if you have power, you come out. Somebody who came out and challenge. You know, challenging Akwoko is like challenging all the whole native doctor in Africa. That word that I fought, me and Akwa, is I fought more than 10,000 native doctors and 10,000 idols. They put my name in more than 10,000 idols. Because, you know, and you know, they are at the peak that time. When Akwa came, say, if anybody talk, he will do what? He will die before 4 days. Akwa is sure of what he's saying. But Akwa did not know that name was the real prophet who is in the wilderness. You know, if people just making noise, it's you're chasing crowd. Ebukobi they make a crowd. Na me bring Ebukobi, na me give you the crowd the same way they used to do na me. But you will pay for it. That thing that you do, you will pay for it. See, let me tell you, you will pay for it. All of you that do that blackmail, both all of you will pay for it. To forget, do you know those people have been blackmailing me, trying to, sometimes they will call me, try to set me up, I'll look at your laugh. People too small. I thought I'm one of the, see, money does not move me. One person called me and said, oh, I'm sick, I want to give you 5 million. Hey, how can you do that? I said, see, let me tell you, it's not today. Your 5 million is nonsense. My wife's daughter died. Demon came down and promised me billion when I never married her. I married my wife because she, don't worry, she came back. Because when she left me, something happened. We have been saying some things people don't want to hear. When I told you TV Joshua is a occultic man, he's gonna die. Is he not that? When I tell you because he's marine kingdom, let me go borrow leg. You know the borrow leg. When I tell you Jeremiah will have problem, you know get problem. When I tell you Bushiri will run for South Africa, you know run for South Africa. These are people that fought with 2018. I will show you the video. I will show you the video. I will show you how I reject money from Satan. No prophet in Nigeria is richer than me. I decided to be poor. I carry power. I choose power over. Bring that prophet. Bring that native doctor. Bring that to this thing. Eminem will not run. Mazilibe no run. Ebukobi no run. Mbaka no run. When I say Mbaka church, they will close it. Is it not closed? Show me things that I said I didn't come to pass. When I tell you that Peter Obi will win, they will rig election, I said the prophecy 8 months before they this thing. And I said if you Trumbo enter the problem, there's a video, go on the internet, type I am crying for Nigeria. I did it. I did that prophecy 8 months before the election in 2022. I did that 8 months. I am not chasing crowd. We did not come for, I made the money. I made the money when I was young. So we cannot see, we came to church to serve God. Like Jeremiah, them, all those useless people. They now turn house of God to a place of merchandise and a place of thief. You could say, who they jealous? Don't worry, don't lose the time. Come out and challenge me now. If you know you prophet, challenge me. Let government arrest me and you and put us inside the house. You prove your miracle. If you know if you prove and they go to jail, I'm here to tell you, you know if you do me. No Nigeria pastor can stand me for miracle. Come out. Come out. Ebukobi, come out. Kachineke Balok. Chano ya kuza na package. See, let me all those your package, we don't need it. Forget the package. These are nonsense. As long as you're worshiping Mary, you are worse than devil. Because you cannot stand in covenant of Satan, ne create a prophet. Who made a prophet? Prophet of Mame Water? Prophet of demons, a queen of heaven. I'm sorry to say this. I'm saying with evidence. If you come here anywhere, I'll prove it. If you come here anywhere, if I cannot prove that Mary is Satan, Jamie, I'll prove it. No be gaze. No be they say, call me anywhere. Arrest me and Ebukobi. I'm going to prove to you that Mary is Satan. I'm going to prove to you that I am a spiritual warlord. I'm going to prove to you I am the one that destroyed your kid. I'm going to prove to you I am the most powerful prophet in the world with 1.60 million angel. Nobody have it on this earth. That is why devil is fighting me. I lost my ministry to save life. So he can't have it all. So when you come out like people they say he don't have member, I'll laugh. I have saved more life than Mbaka, than Ebukobi, than Odumeje, than Wedem. Let them know the pastor. You people come to your church and go home and die. It's not about crowd. People come to your church when they go home they die. Who bring it? All the people who died in the hospital of Ebukobi, did you bring anyone on your picture? Tell us that they died. The girl that died in one church that take me to prison. I will prove it. That's why I know that no hospital in the world can cure spiritual sickness. You know, I don't know how I'm going to explain this thing, but I'm happy what is happening now because I cannot explain it. Even if I'm talking to you, people like you say, oh, how can you reject money? And you're looking for money. Yes. Bible say, money is root of all evil. That shall not love the money. But it say money answering all things. I need money to do the work of God. When I went to Anambra, I spent million. First in history. They said it. Nobody have done free program than me. First. Program where we say they do share money, they don't do offering, they don't collect seed, they don't collect anything. When you say you know they collect money, they say olive oil, they say your sticker, they say handkerchief, they say this one, they say hotel. Which money again do you want to collect? Which money again would you want to collect? You have collected all the money you want to collect. You ask for seed, they sow for you. You deceive people. So seed I wait mother, so seed for this, so seed for this. Do you do what say I know they collect money? You know they collect money. How come you richer than David Yahweh that are more creative than you? I am more creative than you. Come out. Yes. I am like 10 people to put together. So you that doesn't have any knowledge that is you're making money than me. How do you who born you? Where did you make the money? You make money because you deceive people. Yes, because when we talk about money, when we're in the life, we're doing business. You don't have nothing. I want best distribution company in Africa. Registered and record all over the whole world. I am Nollywood inspiration. Number one. Top Nollywood. Come to music industry. Top number one. Come to ministry. Top number one. If you think it's easy, try it. No be joke. No be joke. No be child spray. They do this thing. If you are the man now when they walk or came and challenge for kid, they go come out. Yeah, Jamadi come out. You can't claim you have power when the time for power reach alone. That's how to know better. You might go and do what I like is okay. For your own eye, but the things again, many are destroying for lack of knowledge. And not then if we million will not compare the video. Million will not. Do you know how many people that would die because of a million will? That nonsense on them. Yapatanoza. Yapatanoza, I don't know about Chuba or Kodia. About Kongudibe. Yapatanoza can you? In a broken Kongudibe. That thing I sent my Halaba was that not arrow? Was that not arrow? But in a cousin nonsense. In a cousin nonsense. You do no man. What you're doing, you're idol worshiper. You're a Marine Kingdom worshiper, Banje, which is very bad. It's very evil in Igbo land. Because when you're not Chosego, when you promote nonsense, the poor people who is suffering 7 in Igbo not have do the amazing nonsense. And they break. What they say, more minute flyer, more minute and Igbo, you say Igbo is an Igbo tradition. He worship Mary. Okay, now The richer people, they are the people that are serving Mary. Mary, is he God? Show me how Mary became God. That's the Marine kingdom. Go and approve it anywhere for you. If you are too strong, your Reverend Father, your Bishop, your this one, your Ebukobi, he say Mary, come and challenge me. Say Mary is not, come and prove it to us that Mary is not Satan. I've challenged you for 100 million naira house. But come out, everybody go on. I know they talk, they say today, if I'm ready for the challenge. If it's in a hospital, you want the miracle, I am ready. We will do that Anambra State, we will do the miracle. I just came back. That Anambra State, that Soludo you go do that miracle. You go bring Ebuko, you go perform that miracle for Anambra State. That 100 million where you give her, you go return up with shame. If you know if you do that miracle, because you can't come and tell us, oh, you're the greatest prophet. Nah, in future hanja, future what? We do nothing. He can't do nothing for Anambra State. Anambra is I and what I do. Not even Soludo. Soludo do what? What is Soludo do? Where would they fight the battle? Where is Soludo? Is the battle that I fought, I conquered, and Soludo came and start. Yes, they're part of it. God said, prophecy will come to pass. Is fulfilling the prophecy of what I did. Take it or leave it. Is it not yesterday, 2025? In 2022, I've been fighting for 3, 4, 5 years. I almost lost all my team, lost my life, lost everything. One useless Ebukobi here, and a crime. God will punish you. God will punish you till you die, because I fought the war, you're not there. When I came out from the battle that I fought many kingdoms, it came out and begin to rebel me evil. God punish you. Punish you and punish all your gangsters. Yeah, they fear you. Take God to court. He will prove your miracle. He will prove your miracle. Why are you learning? Government to come and close down your useless occultic church. Come out and prove to me. Say, if you contact God, you kill who? Am I not in Agona? Yeah, if you say in Aga, I am in Aga. I'm in Aja. I'm in Anambra State. We they try to go to Abuja. We are coming to America. We're everywhere. This is Zion City here in the nation. It's not by crowd. God is saying, many are afflictions of righteous. I read my Bible 7 times. I know what it is. Many are afflictions of righteous. Once you're righteous, what will hurt you? Yes. That's why you will be. Nigeria would like fake life. Yes. Yeah, you go to church, they dash you money. Why will you go to church, they dash you money? You go to church to go to solution. And money, they won't go collect for church. This is here, JT, I said, no matter. Hey, all the Madaka what? All of them that they say, one kind of Madaka. This is how they do to deceive you. So you got a crowd, they give one person money, then other people will say, oh, he's helping people. They will go, you go to church because of money. Before we go to church for solution. You go to church, spirituality, for solution, not for you to get, they give you money. Church don't give you. Why did the prophet get the money they're giving you? All the prophets in the Bible, they're hungry. Any prophet that is rich is a thief. Both Jeremiah, both Ebukobi, those Mbaka, all of them are thief. Mbaka will not hear his call, not because of Peter Obi no give her money. You can't say Peter Obi is a stingy man. It's the money. Show me pastor where no they collect money. Anybody where any pastor as they rich, and so they steal from people. Come and prove to us. As they get, as you're a pastor, you're rich, you're the thief. No pastor can make it without people money. Now me be the only person who come to church, I carry million enter. Because I made the money. So no be church, I made my money. Made my money. Bought house 20-something years ago. What are you talking about? Like, I'm a kid, but I made money. Lived in London, lived in Dubai, lived in Singapore, came back because of call. Native Doctor now is traveling to China. China, I've gone 10 years ago, I've been to China. Dubai, Native Doctor, I've been to Dubai when I got free visa. Think now today, me and you na mate. When they do church, everybody will come out and become fake prophet. Yes, it's good. Let everybody be fake. Let everybody prove himself. I like it. Aperawa, perumbala. Apera Native Doctor say peru pastor. Apera was a perumbala. Soludo, Eperawa, Eperumbala, Peru Kafo. Apera was a perumbala. Because when they arrested the doctor, everybody is happy. It's like when I was fighting with Aqua, everybody was happy. But when they blackmailed me, when I came back to bounce on the pastors, to bounce on to tell you that Mary is Satan, to bounce on Ebukobi, the revenge of what they do to me, I become a bad person. When I start to hate me. But you know one thing with Christianity, it don't like truth. It don't like truth. But what is happening, I like it. Just that I pray, don't you want to you'll be free. including me. Only Obna name arrange should be arrested because he can be deceiving people. He can be fooling people. Because if I call Nigeria government to begin to close churches that are doing arrange, you know, I've been saying it before. Not because of Ebukobio or because, no, before Ebukobio, I fought the war. 2018, abundance of TB Joshua, abundance of Jeremiah, abundance of Buchiri, abundance of Obatenje, abundance of Igila. Many pastors abandon their things. Then if you try, they will kill you. It changes today. If I fought native doctor, I've already fought pastors, prophets. Because I came to church, when I now find out this is the marine. This is occultic men. What are you trying to prove? You serving God and you're working under marine kingdom. You're working under come on, I am too spiritual. I am too spiritual for you to come out and manipulate. I started church when I was 7. Before we even start church, because of my father is a very strong man. I know they say my father is a traditional man. I will ask like a jail guy, what am I getting anybody people? Which DB bro? If I make I can't do native doctor now, say I'm a native doctor. What do you know? If you see my teaching, you go not say my teaching no be now teaching of from third heaven. Have you seen angel? Have you gone to first heaven? Have you gone to central kingdom? Underground, I've been there. I've been to third heaven. Demons have come from the underground to promise me billion. They are drinking people blood. I reject. I can show you, I can prove it. Mary have come down here to promise me billion. I can prove it. The girl supposed died in 2020. No hospital. COVID-19. Now, how many years? She just did her birthday of 15 years. That was like some days ago. She said, oh, Daddy did not wish me happy birthday. Put my picture. I know they talk, they say. And they talk with evidence, with proof. You know, many people like against to go there, they see me. They begin to copy the way they copy, they shout. If he shout finish, come and do miracle. That's why I say, like, I don't want to hear Okit on any pastor again because you are not real. You know, you're okay, not be on the arrest now. If they talk about Okit, while you're doing what's that I'm Okit. If they talk about RNG, your pastor is doing RNG, I don't want to talk about that one. What's different from Ebukobin and Danina? No, correct spell. I was a that's why I told Soludo, my governor, I don't want to associate yourself with Ebukobin. He's the evil man, he's the head of RNG. So if you're talking about arresting pastor, you have to arrest him first. Because it's it's everywhere. We have at least like 5, 10 fake miracles that Ebukobin did. Yes. Because it can be associated with a criminal and you say you're not a criminal. So if you want to be a genuine president, a genuine governor, so you have nothing to do with Ebukobin. Because Ebukobin is the #1 RNG in Nigeria, in the whole Africa. Everybody know that. So you should be the first person to come and prove his miracle. Because he started it. You can't start calling people fake when you know you're fake. So you should prove your miracle. Let him be hurt. Let him be jealous. He should prove his miracle. It's fake. Fake is fake. He come in fake. I say it's fake. Then let us prove it. Government arrest me and Ebukobin. Put us inside one room. Give us people that are sick. If you pray for them, they go to test. We know who is really a fake person. If I'm fake, close my church. If I is fake, close his church. If not, they will say, I will put my power on us. You get power. You get power issue. You get power. Now power can come. Challenge all of you the Lord. He get power. Mire we know they talk to you. Massive I don't know if he challenge. He don't have power. What he have is what? Manipulation. Mama water cannot fight Mama water. Let me clear it to you. Mary and Samaritan are the same thing. That's why Mire we can challenge any reverend father and he cannot do nothing. But he cannot challenge me. He can't. Tell him to do video and challenge me. I made that miracle. Mire we know they watch this video. If you not say your Samari can challenge me, David Yahweh to Caribbean. Take a challenge. Kamba Samari walk. I swear down, I have destroyed more than 500,000 demons. The first strongest witchcraft in Lagos, I mean destroy and send that to hellfire. Strongest witchcraft in Karaba that killed 5,000 people, I mean destroy the woman and send that to hellfire. The strongest witchcraft in Enugu State, that means send that to hellfire. The strongest witchcraft in Anambra State, that means send that to hellfire. The strongest witchcraft in Enugu Eziago and Igbo could send it to hellfire. So if you claim say na Samari, now I pass order, now I pass everybody. Take challenge. Why you run for the challenge? By now I can't somebody you know, that's why you run. I know they make mad. I want to prove it to you that there's no power that can stand. That's why they will tell you Yahweh is set up. I know they worship set up. I worship Shuku. And the Mazediba claim that Yahweh is Satan. Then why can't you worship Shuku? These are nonsense. These are idol worshippers. These are people who cannot stand, who cannot do nothing. Have you seen me? Have you seen Mazediba do any miracle? You can come out now. Talk is cheap. Prove it. In Aba, Fafagan again Aba. If you made the miracle, we'll see. We don't believe in those nonsense. We believe in solution. That's why I can be here. See, let me tell you, now maybe highest list taker. If you come to pastor now, I'm supposed to be, if now they talk about RNG, I'm supposed to, they're supposed to say, I'm in the dollar because I don't pray. Many people don't see me. Some people, they don't see me, they pay money online. I do their prayer, they get healed. Have you had one person among thousands, millions of people that are healed for many years? Have you heard one person? One person say it's arranged. Do you know what it is? Canada people, American people, UK people, thousands. Nigeria, online, and a miracle, and I'm going to from mother. Who go by partner, a merry on what a solution. Try it now. Try it. The girl I hear from HIV, there are 5 people, but one person now is from Italy. How did he got the HIV? This girl now have a covenant with people in the Benin city. That what I got Germany, he got Italy. He's supposed to pay almost 10 million or what, like 5 million the fees to pay. That I got to an the I go be tying on law about HIV. Once then. Now for many years, 5 years. 5 years, can I get that? It going in on the the diagnose and those things. You know, people don't like the truth. There's so many testimony that you cannot see. Better they go. That's why I started partner, because most of them, if you pray for them finish, they cannot come and do testimony. I say, you're not a reverend father. They don't want people to know. That's why I say anybody. That's why I have evidence. Anything I'm saying, if you cannot show my video, I don't do prayer for you. Because if I don't have evidence now of HIV, if they say provide it, how can I provide it? I can post it anywhere. That is my work. HIV, I can post it. It's there, my page. Cancer, I can post it. You can't tell me not to post a miracle. Because before you do anything, I tell you, this is this. That's what somebody comes and say, they want to pay me 5 million. They want to pay me 5 million. I said, what is wrong with your sister? He said, you want to die. I said, okay, it's not money. You don't pay me money. What you do is this. Send me the video of the person that is sick. That is the first thing we do. Send me the doctor's report. Can I confirm one I said, oh, my father will send it. But how much are you going to take? He said, it's not money. You don't pay me. You can't pay me. Nobody can pay me. The money we take is for mountain and the salaka. Then when God bless you, come and do your this thing. How much one? How much one? We don't charge. But among all those people who pay that money, from 5,000, I want like how much I saw like this netty doctor. What's her name? This girl, what's her name? There's many years when I entered my partner, when I was fighting with Aquaco, when I have conquered Aquaco, they came to collect power. I wonder, like this Ifedinana. Yes, Ifedinana. She joined partner, I pay 5,000. She think like what she entered, I said, I told her you reason why. Then you want to start. There's not a reason why your phone. How many years in not reason why? In 2022, how can I be reason why? You want to compare somebody who have done spirituality for 30-something years. I see no Mbaka in ministry. Who be able to? I see no Mbaka in ministry. Shidela, Mbaka Shidela, na me sell and furniture. Mbaka Shidela, the first music. And we sell and we do the video. You know the online? Yeah, they hide them. What you want to do? I'm not, it's not boast. I'm someone that I just want people to understand that he don't use money to qualify. I have brothers that are billionaires. Yes, I have brothers they are billionaires. But that's not why we're here. The same about they are billionaires. Well, I don't send anybody. I made my money. Nobody help me. I have my money. Got my knowledge. 80% of my money went to charity. We use money to, you know, do some matters they do. You got to do charity, they call people, yes, it's good. But when we are doing charity, we use our own money to do charity. I dashed 10 buses in 2005. 10 buses in one day when I was shot. Come on, we're not joking here. We're not joking here. Somebody who survives 7 bullets. What do you think say if you do for me? This work of God is what I do. That even my family, you that is a millionaire, you that have money, how can you be doing work of God? You will begging money. I said, don't worry. This is what I want to do. This is my calling. Everybody, all my family, they become my enemy because of this gospel. I have to hide my identity. I have to hide myself, my identity, for many years. That's why you don't see me with Nollywood people. It's all these centuries, I don't know that I'm a producer. I had my identity for many years, over 15 years. I don't move with movie people. A producer, award-winning producer. I won more than 100 and something award. I left all those things. My Range Rover rust in the mechanic. I had M money, not be saying a church money, my own money, 20-something million. A lot. So when I dem mountain, they call me. They can't carry the motor, go this thing, go allow from there, they sell the motor auction. At dem mountain. 5 years. So what are you talking about? What sacrifice have you paid? What sacrifice have you paid? So when we're talking, I talk, you be pastor. You be pastor. You get member. What's in the for member? Some you kill human being, you do juju, you do this one, gather crowd, you deceive people. Get member. Who member help? God say, go into the world and preach to every creature. Say, who go to give you the church? Because a thief, that's why you want to have church. I closed my church long time ago. When I do church, it's a mountain. Zion City is not a church. It's a mountain came down from heaven. I draw it down. 2010, I drove Zion City. God showed me how I'm going to be. When they talk about Zion City, I want to go to Anambra. As I moved to Anambra, those people heard about it, they rushed on Gabara. They hijacked the thing, thought it's you can't see, let me tell you, you can't fake reality. You go to your Zion, you keep people. God prove it. Anywhere God is, there's liberty. For you to shoot somebody die in that ground that they call Zion. It's already a ground of Satan. God prove it. That's a part of the prophets I told you alone. What do they want to see? Do you know what called prophets? Do you know what they call prophets? Prophets are the manufacture of something that is not into existence to come to pass. When there's no problem, I say, Ebukobi will run from Goabara. If you like, you invest before you know a problem starts. That's how to know a prophet with authority. I told Echba he will run from Zion, he will not run. I told James Agabora he will run from Zion, he will not run. These are the criminals that the Ebukobi, the gangsters and thieves that he imported into his church to come and use him to intimidate people. I'm for all of them. Come and make house of God to look like say you're a God. Everything is going down. 5 years. Before that time, the remaining one, some will carry kidney problem, some will carry different diseases, some their business will close down, they will run for their life. That time, when I talk, you will remember that I told you, it will come to pass. Let them be arrested. Let the arrest are gone. Soludo, God bless you. I'm going to show God. Because these are the reason why people are going to Okite. People now come to church. They will be deceived, no solution. I never see nobody that came to me that don't have an solution. That's why I say I know they rule for crowd. I know they rule for member. I am a solution to mankind. The mission is different. The problem you have is you just want me to look like, to have crowd like Ebuka. How can I have crowd like Ebuka? Are we doing the same thing? We're not doing the same thing. I'm worshiping the Almighty God, Elohim. Ebuka is worshiping Mama Water, Mary. Know that. And the owner of this world is Satan. What are you talking about? If you don't have sense, have sense. Let me prove it to you. If in this year now, you never know say Mary and Mama Water, God punish you a fool. If Pope can start to tell you that he's sorry, why is he apologizing? Popudio. He's apologizing that they slave the whole world. And you're still there reading chapter 8, God will punish you. I forget to for thinking you're serving my king. Go to the Bible, it's there. Jeremiah 7:16. God is saying, when you begin to have kidney problem, Even if you pray for you, will not answer you, you will die. Because you're worshiping other God. Go and read the Bible. Anybody who pray to Mary will die mystery. Forget about this one. They say back and they talk about cancer. Do you know how many people that in the Catholic that cancer have killed? There's one girl she went to bury the last 2 months. Last 2 months. That guy, that girl, the father, his brother is a multi-billionaire. They have been giving him back money. This girl came and told her what I'm going to do to destroy the. They said, I pray for her. I said, I should go and remove the video. That was like 2021 or 2022. I should remove the video. I went to remove the video. These are the Roman Catholic people. They don't want me to save them, that they don't want people to know. So I removed the video. Later, the problem, I have another problem. When the problem begins to then come, I said, no, go to Baka. Baka is your spiritual father, go there. My wife was out for a very long time. He's a very good friend. No person tell her, not speak my wife tell long come back. I didn't tell person. Because waiting kill her and waiting supposed to kill my wife when make her save him, come God say make her marry him, make her help him. I marry and fight. My church lost because of my wife. To save her daughter. Now last week she come back. Tomorrow make it 1 week, 7 days. For 3 years. All those ways sister with the fight. Me and my wife they fight inside. Because if I talk about Mary, you know, say na one back and do my Catholic. If I talk about Mary, she go the verse. I say God punish you. Do you know because of you I will not disobey God? I say no, I over my dead body. Who are you? You're nobody. God first. Is here now, you should be online very soon. She will come in to tell you. Yes, I told her, if you cannot be able to tell people what we did for you, you don't need to be here. Come on, carry your bag and get out. Go to your father's house. You think Zion City, the Yahweh na Uman Lapa? No. I'm a warlord. I came to liberate people. Anything I'm saying is life. Life. I know they talk story. Truth. Evidence. I pay for Holy Ghost. Holy Ghost. Enugu 200,000. 100,000 to this thing. What to spend at 200,000 to separate people from problem. After I said no, they collect money. I have evidence. I've traveled from here to Enugu. Holy Ghost, go fight. Said me and never father fight. Say who be Ebuka? Ebuka, you're because of people they follow you. People know they follow you. You stand on your own, you go feel stand me. They crazy. Where if you stand Supremo? Don Supremo. Where if you stand me? Oh, that's why they do gangster. Even Jets Agobor and if stand me na you. Because when they do church, everybody come now, carry bodyguard, they waka. What would that street if he come out? What would that street if he talk when they talk? Who go come out from street? I'm a street prophet. We have seen it all. We decided to we should choose God, not be say we be fool or no anything. We'll come there threaten, we'll arrest you, we'll kill you. Don't worry. The arrest is coming. The arrest is coming. Where you say you go reach everybody, you go collect. Yes. Nobody will go scot free. Now small, you go reach everybody. No, the government don't come out all the escorts, all your police, all your army, where they follow. You go they do like God, they don't come out. Your hand don't they come down. They go still carry everything. You go do nonsense, the government will come and close that church. Yes. You receive 8 people. Because that's what you want. You want to destroy other people to your own to remain. And your own will be destroyed. The Bible says you will reap what you sow. Did you see me talk about other pastors? No. I talk about it because he started blackmailing me. He saw the power. He saw the destiny. He saw the glory. He cannot take it away. I was reading. I was reading all over the whole world. He never come take away my glory. Like, he go and come and take it. Hey, okay, are you the one that fought okay? Tell me the truth. It's never coming that fought okay. God punish all of you that support evil. He saw the truth. You don't want to support it. God punish you. You lose your glory. You lose your favor for supporting evil. The idiot came out. Somebody who fought war, they cannot fight. After I fight the war, they finish. All those people, they are busy collecting money, chopping, buying motor, they are very big. See person will fight 7 Igbo. Not half. They laugh me. You not get AC, you not get money, you not get crowd. They laugh me. Because I bring my life to sacrifice for Igbo. But I not say good dish like this. Yes, man, they can't talk now. When I talk. When I get money, man, I talk. Now money make you become pastor. No, you can't talk. God punish all of you doing nonsense, confusing people, collecting their money for nonsense. Look, you see, I am not against you taking. If you like, take 10 billion. I'm not against, but you don't deceive people. Don't put people into problem. Like me now. People call me, oh, we want you to come to our house. How much you go collect? I swear, if they never reach, they don't pass 20,000. We die abroad. My mother dey village. Make you go. And then I say, no, relax. What it cost me? I can say, okay, give me 10 million, I will go. Give me 5 million, I will go. But I didn't do that. I'll just say, don't worry. Let me pray for your mother. I'll be here, solve the problem. But you know what they pay me? After solving the problem, those people will not even say, okay, we're supposed to spend 10 million naira. But this prophet now don't solve this problem. Inside that 10 million, maybe we'll give them 2 million, maybe we'll give them 5 million. They will not do that. They will not do that. That's why, because we don't use abracadabra for them. We don't use wayo for them. We are trying to be honest. Now, honest make me be like this now. Now, honest make me poor. Now, honest, I'm not poor. I can't be poor. I'm not poor. I made men and women millionaire. I have the destiny. I have the power. Not be saying I talk with the talk or this one. You know, who can prove it. My miracle, I can prove it. People got visa, people lose hope, I got hope. People, I know the two post miracle. Now, if you want now testimony now, I can post 100. I can post 100 miracle. People will get breakthrough. I can post it. Yeah. But you know, I don't big pass all those ones. I not be everything they post for Facebook. You can show car. Make it come be like. So people know they build house. People know build hotel. People will be say they know if you travel, they don't travel. People when they see they know I know raise debt. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Not be one. If you say the small girl when I fake, the pastor will die. For abroad, don't fake too. It can be everything can be fake. You can't how many they arrive now just become. How much do I even have to start? I don't pay bloggers. Now RNG I go come they pay. You know say person when they do RNG first, I go take now bloggers. Do you know say bloggers now they carry my video again? They don't do meeting, bribe all the bloggers, maybe they carry my video. If they carry my video, they will stop giving you work. One blogger told me, say what you do all those pastors? They don't tell me because what no video why they talk, why I go talk about against pastors. So on my word now liberation, please share the telecast. This video now they don't report, I no go fish here. Yes. I don't go fish here. Why do you think all the bloggers know they carry my video again? It's people that pay them money not to carry my video. Starting from Ebuko be there. Yes, because most of them any video what they do at that time I must call Ebuko be now. This thing can also enter my mouth. Like this video now. You know concern, but because of what they did to me. If I once I talk, the spirit will start to go there. Everything one doing. You don't threaten me with police finish, you know work. You threaten me with the baggers, with the different things, criminals and everything, talks. You know work. You threaten me with jetpack, you just talk about them. All this one, you them, all those no, you go them. You know work. They see fire, they borrow leg. That's why. They don't tell them say, man, they long for my page. You good. Clap for Jesus. Clap for God or the Yahweh. I pay what I ask. Let me tell you, it's not a joke. I must say, you see, let me tell you, the battle I fought, nobody can fight it. So I'm very, very disappointed from Igbo, especially in Anambra State. He will go there fake pastor. He lead person will fight on a battle. Take money, they give fake, arrange profit. On our foot, and get it on half. On our foot, kit. On our foot, get them in Anambra State. On our foot, get them in Abom. You're a fool. You're a big fool. What is prophet? Prophet is a man who comes to liberate people. Who liberated Okite? The Yahweh. Who tell you Mary Seta? The Yahweh. Who pursue all those occultism? The Yahweh. Onyeba Samari film? The Yahweh. Onyeba Rezobi film? The Yahweh. Show me the one that you do. If you not me, now you do. Show me. Show us. That thing you go see what they do. Say they say and say na joke. No be joke. No be joke. Okay, just say Okongudiba they post video of somebody, they come and arrest them. They talk of me where they talk say I go destroy somebody. If me we don't see what he go do me now, he go do. He have been doing something, but it's not working. I can't do nothing. If you do otherwise, go okay. Yes. So for you to know what I'm telling you now. So nothing say we just they talk. It is say because they see how they go take come at me for this one, they don't go do. They don't try, no work. Yeah, now anything they do in a real. No be film. No be film trick, no be joke. Na real. Na real it be. As Matthias make noise. You go to this thing. You go to vote, you lose. I thought I said, no, Jesus go save him. It's inside the joke. I saw Matthias where he was crying. I said, Matthias, no, Jesus go save you. It's inside the joke. I know the joke. Did you win? You know rules. Jesus was supposed to save him. You know, agree, come to Jesus. I say Jesus na fake. It is how it was. Because he can't mock God. He can't mock all those people now. Do you know why they are disgraced? They are mock God. He can't use. Bible said, thou shalt not use the name of God in vain. A good book of 10 commandments. If you're a pastor, you don't keep 10 commandments, you're a fool. I am the Lord your God, who brought you out of the land of Egypt. Thou shalt have no other God before me, because I am a jealous God. Visiting the iniquities of the forefathers unto the third and fourth generation, showing love to thousands of those who love me and keep my commandments. Thou shalt not take the name of the God in vain. He will have a he will have a he will suffer. That's him. He has break the covenant. And the penalty is death too. The penalty is death. Go and read it in the book of Hebrew. Hebrew 10. Read for 25 to 29. He that sin won't free will die without mercy. So if you know that this is sin or doing it, he will die without mercy. He will die without mercy. So there are some things he cannot do. Sleeping with someone's wife. If you want to marry 5 wives, no problem. You want to marry 10 wives, no problem. When you leave your woman, go to sleep with person's wife, you will die. That's adultery.